Welcome to Real Travel Reviews. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of Hotel 57 in the heart of New York City. Get ready to discover why this hotel is a fantastic choice for your next urban adventure. We'll explore its features and amenities, so let's dive in. Stepping into the rooms and suites at Hotel 57, you'll immediately notice the inviting atmosphere. Here, we see a comfortable hotel room featuring a large bed and a functional desk, perfectly set against a vibrant city view. Many rooms are designed with practicality and comfort in mind, offering options like 2 cozy beds and a dedicated work desk, all complemented by stunning city views right outside your window. One of the standout features of Hotel 57 is its incredible room views. Imagine enjoying breakfast on a spacious city view terrace, complete with a table and chairs, offering breathtaking vistas of towering skyscrapers. Even the private balconies provide a charming retreat. You can relax with a drink at a table and chairs, all while soaking in the dynamic city backdrop, sometimes framed by a rustic brick wall. For an unforgettable experience, Hotel 57 boasts a spectacular rooftop terrace. At night, it transforms into a magical spot, perfect for admiring the illuminated city skyline under the stars. The hotel's commitment to modern elegance extends to its bathrooms. You'll find sleek designs, like this one featuring a stylish stone sink and a bathtub, complete with a contemporary shower curtain. Many bathrooms offer a luxurious touch with walk-in showers and unique, artfully designed sinks. These spaces combine functionality with a sophisticated aesthetic for a refreshing experience. Upon arrival, the modern hotel lobby and reception area truly set the tone. It features stylish reception desks and unique, ambient lighting, creating a chic and welcoming first impression. For unwinding or socializing, the hotel's bars and lounges are exceptional. Discover stylish seating areas adorned with modern artwork and bathed in inviting, ambient lighting, perfect for relaxation. You can also enjoy a vibrant, modern lounge space. It often includes comfortable curved seating, a well-stocked bar, and thoughtful ambient lighting, setting the mood for a perfect evening. Experience true luxury in a seating area designed with modern flair, often enhanced by elegant floral arrangements. It's an ideal spot for enjoying a quiet moment or lively conversation. Staying active is easy at Hotel 57, thanks to its impressive pool and fitness facilities. The well-equipped gym features a range of cardio machines and free weights, catering to all workout routines. The fitness center provides a comprehensive setup with various weights and even yoga mats. It ensures guests have everything they need for a complete and invigorating workout session. From the outside, Hotel 57 blends seamlessly into the iconic New York cityscape. It's nestled among a mix of modern and classic buildings, reflecting the city's unique architectural charm. Beyond the essentials, Hotel 57 offers delightful additional amenities. Start your day right at a breakfast bar, featuring a tempting array of pastries and refreshing drinks spread across countertops. Another fantastic amenity is a dedicated rooftop terrace. This inviting space offers breathtaking city views and comfortable seating, perfect for a relaxing afternoon or evening. Now, let's talk about value. Hotel 57 offers competitive pricing, especially for its prime New York City location. Prices vary by season and room type, providing flexibility for different budgets. Booking directly or through popular travel sites can yield different rates. We highly recommend checking the link in our description to compare prices and find the best deal for your stay. Remember to book in advance, especially during peak tourist seasons, to secure your preferred dates and room. Flexibility with your travel dates can often lead to better savings and availability. Guest reviews consistently highlight the hotel's excellent service and friendly staff. Many travelers praise the welcoming atmosphere and helpfulness of the team, making stays memorable. Visitors often commend the cleanliness of the rooms and public areas, contributing to a comfortable and pleasant stay. The modern decor and well-maintained facilities also receive positive feedback. The central location is frequently mentioned as a major plus, making it easy for guests to access key attractions and explore the city on foot or via convenient public transport. Some reviews occasionally mention that rooms can be compact, which is typical for New York City hotels. However, the efficient design skillfully maximizes the available space for comfort. Noise from the city streets is another common point, as expected in a bustling urban environment. Light sleepers might consider requesting a room on a higher floor for a quieter experience. While overall positive, a few guests have noted that amenities like breakfast can sometimes be an additional cost. It's always wise to check what's included in your booking details. Hotel 57 boasts an unbeatable location, placing you within easy reach of Manhattan's iconic landmarks. You're just a short stroll from Central Park, Fifth Avenue, and world-class shopping. Imagine being moments away from diverse dining options and cultural hotspots. Carnegie Hall, Times Square, and various museums are also conveniently accessible, enhancing your trip. This prime spot means you spend less time commuting and more time experiencing the vibrant energy of New York City, with its endless attractions right at your doorstep. Getting around from Hotel 57 is incredibly easy. Several subway lines are within a few blocks, offering quick access to virtually any part of the city, from downtown to uptown. Taxis and ride-sharing services are readily available outside the hotel, providing convenient options for getting to and from airports or more distant attractions with ease. Whether you prefer walking, subway, or car, the hotel's location offers excellent connectivity, making it a perfect base for exploring all that magnificent NYC has to offer. Beyond the hotel's offerings, the surrounding neighborhood is a foodie's paradise. You'll discover a plethora of restaurants, from casual diners to upscale culinary experiences. Explore diverse cuisines, including classic American, Italian, French, and various international flavors just steps away. The concierge can provide excellent recommendations for any taste. From quick bites to elegant dinners, you'll never be short of dining choices within walking distance. It's an ideal way to immerse yourself in New York's unparalleled gastronomic scene. Hotel 57 strikes a fantastic balance between modern sophistication and welcoming comfort. The ambience is stylish yet unpretentious, appealing to a wide range of discerning travelers. The hotel successfully creates an upscale, boutique feel without sacrificing practicality. It's a place where you can feel pampered, but also perfectly at home in the bustling city. Whether you're in New York for business or leisure, the hotel's unique character and attentive service ensure a memorable and distinctive stay experience you'll cherish. The staff at Hotel 57 are often praised for their professionalism and eagerness to assist. Their local knowledge is invaluable for recommendations and planning your day effectively. From check-in to check-out, guests report a seamless experience, with helpful concierges ready to arrange anything from theater tickets to transportation, making your trip smoother. Their dedication to guest satisfaction truly elevates the stay, making you feel valued and ensuring all your needs are met promptly and courteously during your visit. New York City is vibrant year-round, but spring and fall offer pleasant weather for exploring. Winter brings festive decorations, while summer is ideal for outdoor activities and events. Consider purchasing a city pass if you plan on visiting multiple attractions. It can offer significant savings. Also, wear comfortable shoes for all that fantastic walking around the city. Always carry a portable charger for your phone, as you'll be using it frequently for navigation and photos. Enjoy every moment of your incredible New York adventure to the fullest. And that concludes our tour of Hotel 57. This hotel truly offers a prime location, modern comfort, and excellent service, making it a fantastic base for exploring New York City. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button, subscribe to Real Travel Reviews for more hotel insights, and check out the booking link in the description below for the best deals. Thanks for watching and happy travels.